Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 1 Learning Styles. I'm your teacher, Ms. Fatima Muhammad Iqbal. Today I'll be covering period number 4, which is about use of both and, either or, neither nor. A very simple and easy period, and this grammar is not new for grade 11 students. I'm sure that they have already taken it in their previous classes, especially grade 9. So in today's period we have page number 9. The first question is on page number 9. The second, third, and fourth questions are on page number 10. Let's start. See, this is the grammatical use of both and, either or, neither nor. Both and refers to two things or people together. It is always considered plural in a sentence. Examples: you can be both mother and businesswoman. Right? So we use both and for two things which are important and which are being used at the same time. There's no choice. So both and together. For example, I have both a villa and a fast car. So these two things belong to me. I have both. Either or, there is a choice. Either or is a correlative conjunction. We use either or for connect things which are the same type, phrases, clauses, or words. Examples are either Mark or Samuel will go. You can either come with me now or walk home. Either you or Ben will go for shopping. That means you both can't go together. Either Ben or you. Neither nor comes for negative sentences, as the term suggests. This structure, neither nor, is used to connect the same kind of word or phrase in the same sentence. Neither makes a negative statements about two people or things. Neither Mark nor his wife is very tall. It means both are short. My sister neither drinks nor smokes. Neither my friends nor the bookstore has the book. Neither the employees nor the boss was at work. If I take my example, I'll say that I neither have a car nor a villa. And the next one is more examples. Here I have explained it with a simpler example with a both and, either or, neither nor. See, both coffee and tea are good for you. We have two options and both are available for you. Both coffee and tea are good for you. Both is coming with and. Here we have either coffee or tea. We should go for either coffee or tea. Neither, none of them. Neither coffee nor tea. So both and, we are going for two things at the same time. Either or, between two things we have to make a choice. Neither and nor, none. No choice. So this is period number 4, language and vocabulary study. Look at the examples, then match the beginning of each grammar rule with its ending. Here you can see that they have given us examples for both and, either or, neither nor. So read them carefully, and they're explaining the same thing for the choices, both and. They gave us a very good example here. It is impossible to be both a social learner and a solitary learner. Either you can be See, I told you about both, and it is impossible to be both. Either you can be social learner or a solitary learner. See, I told you about either and or. Between two choices, you have to choose one thing. You may work best either on your own or with others. Individual learning styles are neither simple nor fixed. Here, see, none of them. Rule A applies on student number 1, but it may not apply on student number 2. As I have discussed this lesson in your class, and a few students gave me very good input that, teacher, it depends upon the subject. If the subject needs is to work in a social learning style, we will go for social. For example, maths. We learn maths in a group. But when it comes to English or Arabic languages, so we prefer solitary learning. See? So it's neither fixed and nor simple. So on the same page, you will find this grammatical rule. Pause the video here and then check your answers. We use both and to talk about. We use either or to talk about. Or we use neither nor to talk about. See? We use both and to talk about two true facts or ideas. We use either or to talk about two possible ideas or choices. We use neither nor to talk about two negative or impossible ideas or choices. So neither and nor, as the term suggests, it is for negative choices. Either or, we have to choose one between two available choices. Both and we are going for two options. We are not choosing. This is question number 2 on page number 10. So pause the video here. It is very easy. You just have to fill the gaps with both and, either or neither nor. Pause the video here and then check your answers. I'll continue. Number 1, in this country, 16-year-old can dash stay at school or dash leave and get a job. Yes, either stay at school or leave and get a job. The plan has dash advantages, dash disadvantages. Yes, both advantages and disadvantages. Dash you support me, dash you're against me. There is no middle way. There is no middle way. So there are two choices. You have to choose one. Either or. I dash agree, dash disagree with what she says. I don't know enough about the subject. So if you don't know about the subject, would you agree or disagree? No. So no goes for what? Neither nor. Dash A dash C is correct. So the right answer is B. It means what? Both of them are wrong. So neither A nor C is correct. Labeling a student as a slow learner is dash helpful, dash unfair. Both the choices will go for labeling a student slow learner. So it is both helpful and unfair. The next two exercises are as easy as the previous ones. Question number 3. Rewrite the sentences as one sentence using both and, either or, neither nor. They are on page number 10. You need to focus on the general idea. You need to focus on details too. See, two identical sentences. We have to join them using both and. We can stop and have a break, or we can keep working, either or. This way of learning is useful. It is also fun, both and. His suggestion wasn't helpful. Also, it wasn't practical. See, two negative things, neither nor. Students don't like the new system. Their parents agree with them. Neither nor. All learners belong to one of two groups. Some are solitary, others are social, either or. Pause the video here, write your own answers, and then you can check with mine. You need to focus on both the general idea and the details. We can either stop and have a break, or we can keep on working. This way of learning is both fun and useful. His suggestion was neither helpful nor practical. Neither the students nor their parents like the new system. All learners are either solitary or social. This is the last exercise on page number 10 about both and, either or, neither nor. Do it on your own and then check your answers. Complete these exercises on your book when you get them. We need both telephone number and email address. You can pay either by check or by card. See, this option is always available whenever we go for shopping. Either we pay by check or by card. We don't pay in case if you have cash and check, for example, or card, for example, I have cash but it is not sufficient, so I will pay the rest amount by card. Neither the driver nor the passengers were injured. The minister thinks the new law is both necessary and fair. To get more information, either phone or email for information. To get more information, either phone or email for more information. This was the end of period number 4, language and vocabulary. I have already given you a worksheet for it, and I'm so happy that many of the students have already done that. Any query, any question about this topic, feel free to contact your teacher. Thank you very much and good luck.